Welcome to our third activity. Let us trace the past. This time, may ikukwento naman ako sa inyo. My friend named Rene is my greatest competitor in our math class. Rene is a genius at his young age, but if he get bored, he usually get into trouble. When we were in grade school, in our math class, Rene was looking at the ceiling of our room. He always wants to sleep in class, maybe because he knows already the lesson that is why he is bored. While he was looking at the ceiling, he saw a fly. He wondered how to best describe the fly's location and decided that one of the corners of the ceiling could be used as a reference point. He imagined that the ceiling as a rectangle drawn on a piece of paper, taking the left bottom corner as the reference point. So this is how Rene imagined the location of the fly on the ceiling. So he drew a line across and a line upward containing numbers from 0 to 6. So same with the line upward. So diyan titingnan daw ni Rene saan kaya nakalocate ang langaw na iyan. You can specify the location of the fly by measuring how far you need to go in the horizontal direction and how far you need to go in the vertical direction to get it. So this line across is the horizontal line while the line upward is the vertical line. So kung magbibilang daw tayo simula sa 0 papunta dun sa location ng langaw, pa vertical o pa across, we have 1, 2, 3. So tatlo. Ang langaw ay nakatapat sa point 3, while upward 1, 2, ang langaw ay nakatapat sa point 2. So pwede nating sabihin na ang langaw ay nakalocate sa 3 and 2. Okay? These two numbers are the fly's coordinates. Every pair of coordinates specifies a unique point on the ceiling, and every point on the ceiling comes with a unique pair of coordinates. So ibig sabihin, coordinate pala ang tawag doon. It's possible to extend this idea, allowing the axis, the two sides of the room, to become infinitely long in both directions, and using negative numbers to label the bottom part of the vertical axis and the left part of the horizontal axis. That way, we can specify all points on an infinite plane. So, eto daw yun. So, kanina, napansin natin na parang ganito lang gawa ni Rene. Etong part na to, etong quadrant 1 part na ito. Ngayon, kung i-extend daw natin yung horizontal line papunta sa left, magkikreate daw ito ng mga negative numbers. So, mapapansin natin para itong number line, di ba, ng mga integers, at yung vertical line naman, pag in-extend natin pababa, magkakaroon din ito ng mga negative numbers. So, parang itong dalawang integer line o number line na kung saan ang intersection nila ay matatagpuan sa point 0. So, itong point 0 na to ang tinatawag nating origin. Itong origin na to ay yung center ng plane na ito. Okay? Itong plane na ito. At itong plane na ito ay nadidivide sa apat na bahagi. Okay? Sa apat na bahagi na yan, meron tayong tinatawag na quadrant 1 kung saan binubuo ito ng mga positive numbers sa x-axis at positive numbers sa y-axis. Yung quadrant 2 naman ay binubuo ng mga negative numbers sa x-axis at positive number sa y-axis. Ang quadrant 3 naman ay binubuo ng parehas na negative numbers sa x-axis, gayon din sa y-axis. Ang quadrant 4 naman ay binubuo ng negative number sa x-axis at positive number sa y-axis. So, kanina, yung fly pala ay nakalocate siya sa quadrant 1. Gawa ng nasa positive 3 siya at positive 2. Halimbawa daw ng coordinates. Ito ang coordinate natin. Our coordinate 2, 3 has x-coordinate or abscissa and y-coordinate or ordinate. Yung 2 dyan, yung x-coordinate natin at yung y naman, yung y-coordinate natin. Ibig sabihin, yung 2 ay yung number na matatagpuan natin sa x-axis. At yung 3 naman ay yung number na matatagpuan natin sa y-axis. Saan kayang quadrant nakalocate itong 2, 3? At paano natin ipa-plot ito sa graph? So, paano daw ipa-plot ang coordinate na ito sa graph? So, kailangan lamang daw magbigay lang natin ng dalawang steps o 2 moves to the right. Kasi 2 daw yung sinasabi sa x-axis. So, x-coordinate kasi, so sa x tayo maglalakbay. 1, 2. So, para lang tayo naglalakbay, iyan yung arrow. Okay? Next. Pataas naman daw, 3 moves. So, pataas kasi positive. Ibig sabihin, pataas, kaya positive. Positive 3. So, 2, 3 is located at quadrant 1 dito sa graph na ito. kasi mapapansin natin nandito siya sa bahaging ito. So, ibig sabihin si 2, 3, dahil parehas positive naman sila, sila ay nasa quadrant 1. Next naman, kung negative 4, negative 2 ang binigay sa atin, yung x dyan ay yung negative 4 at yung y dyan ay yung negative 2. So, ibig sabihin, dahil negative, pababa naman daw ang punta o papunta sa left. So, papunta sa left, yung x, 4 na move. At 2 naman pababa sa y, kasi negative yung y, kaya ito ang location ng point natin sa graph. So, ibig sabihin, si negative 4, negative 2 ay nasa quadrant 3. Okay? So, madali lang naman ito. Who is Rene? Invento ko lang yung kwento kanina. Pero ang totoo si Rene. Sino nga ba si Rene? Rene is Rene Descartes o Descartes. Okay? Yan ang kanyang pronunciation ng kanyang pangalan. He invented the rectangular coordinate system. So yung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo ay tinatawag na rectangular coordinate system. O mas kilala sa tawag na Cartesian plane coordinate system. Isinunod sa pangalan niya. What are the uses of the rectangular coordinate system? Saan nga ba ginagamit ang mga ito? First, finding a particular place on the map. Ginagamit ito sa pag-locate ng isang lugar sa map. To locate the seat of your classmate in your classroom using ordered pairs. So ito ginagamit din natin katulad ng activity number 2 natin, di ba? And last, Cartesian plane is used in drawing objects. So ito, kadalasan itong ginagamit ng mga visual students, ganun na din ng mga media kasi makikita ito sa mga lente nila sa camera. At marami pang gamit itong Cartesian plane coordinate na ito o mas kilala sa tawag na rectangular coordinate plane. Descartes produced many other works in mathematics, science, and philosophy. You might have heard his word o famous quote, I think, therefore I am. So kilala siya sa maraming subjects na inaaral natin. And he would undoubtedly have gone on to produce more if he had not died at relative young age. Kung hindi siya namatay na maaga, marami pa sana nagawa si Rene. His habit of sleeping until 11 a.m. had been brutally disrupted by Queen Christina of Sweden, who persuaded him to go to Stockholm in 1649 and wanted to do maths with him at 5 o'clock every morning. Nako, grabe naman. Descartes endured the early morning and then he had an Scandinavian cold for a few months but eventually contracted pneumonia and died. So namatay si Rene gawa ng pagkakasakit dahil lamang sa pagtuturo kay Queen. Okay? Ng Sweden. So something to remember. How are we going to plot a point on the Cartesian coordinate plane? So first, create a Cartesian or rectangular coordinate plane. Gumawa muna tayo niyan. Make two intersecting lines. Yung vertical line, yung x-axis, and horizontal line, yung y-axis. Then, lagyan natin ng mga integers na kung saan yung 0 ay nasa gitna. Plot the points by identifying the x and y coordinates. And last, draw a point representing your coordinate. So, isang point lang lagi ang coordinate sa plane. Okay? Tandaan lang na para siyang isang tuldok lamang. So, katulad nga ng example na langaw, isang bagay lang siya matatagpuan sa plane, yung coordinates natin. Do your best in answering these questions or identifying which quadrant does each coordinate belongs to. So, first given is 2, 3. Number 2, negative 3, 2. Number 3, 3, negative 2. Number 4, negative 2, negative 3. And 5, 0, 5. Type your answer on the comment section on the Google Classroom. The first one to type the correct answer for each given received a point. Type the following answer in answering. Okay? Or type the following in answering. Number 1, questions number. And number 2, answer. So example, question number 5 or Q5. So Q5 ilalagay nyo as question number 5 is equal to quadrant 1. And quadrant 1 is your answer for question number 5. So that will be just an example. Okay? Thank you and good luck.